Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a component that's a true unsung hero for audio enthusiasts and DIY electronics builders alike. The TDA7375A, often simply referred to as the TDA7375, presented in its practical ZIP 15 package. This isn't just any chip. It's a robust power amplifier integrated circuit designed to bring serious audio punch to a wide array of applications. When someone is looking to build a custom sound system, repair an existing amplifier, or even upgrade the audio in their car, the TDA7375A frequently emerges as a top contender. Its appeal lies in its impressive balance of power output, sound quality, and relative ease of integration for those with a foundational understanding of electronics. This particular chip is known for its ability to deliver substantial wattage, making it capable of driving a variety of speakers with clarity and depth. It's not uncommon to find this component at the heart of compact stereo systems, active speaker designs, and even in automotive audio setups where space is at a premium, but performance cannot be compromised. One of the key advantages of the TDA7375A is its multi-channel capability, often configured for 2-channel stereo or even 2.1-channel applications, providing flexibility for different audio needs. It boasts features like short-circuit protection and thermal shutdown, which are crucial for ensuring the longevity and reliability of any audio project. These built-in safeguards mean that builders can have greater confidence in their designs, knowing the chip is protected against common electrical mishaps. The ZIP 15 package itself is designed for efficient heat dissipation, which is vital for power amplifiers operating under load, further contributing to its stable performance. For the hobbyist or small-scale developer, acquiring the TDA7375A as a 1 PCS lot makes perfect sense. It allows for prototyping new ideas without a large initial investment, or for replacing a single faulty component in a repair scenario. This accessibility is a significant factor in its popularity. It empowers individuals to experiment with high-quality audio amplification without needing to source large quantities. The sound produced by systems utilizing the TDA7375A is generally characterized by its clean output and dynamic range, offering an enjoyable listening experience that belies its compact size and cost-effectiveness. Ultimately, for anyone venturing into audio electronics, whether for a personal project or a small custom build, the TDA7375A TDA7375 ZIP 15 stands out as an exceptionally versatile and reliable choice. It offers a compelling combination of power, protection, and performance, making it a go-to component for bringing audio visions to life with clarity and impact.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.